Look at these three liquids. They all seem mixed. But are they really the same? Can you spot any difference? One looks clear. One looks dirty. One looks smooth and white. Why do they behave differently? Look closely. Can you see through all three? Which one is easiest to see through? Why might that happen? Now wait for some time. Something changes in one glass. Which glass is changing? What do you notice?
What will happen if we wait longer? Will everything stay mixed? Or will something separate? Make your guess.
Suppose we filter these mixtures. Which one will leave particles behind? Can all three be filtered? What do you think?
Inside the clear liquid, tiny particles spread everywhere. They are too small to see. They do not settle. What kind of mixture could this be?
Now look inside muddy water. The particles are much bigger. They can settle down. How is this different from the first glass? Milk is different again. Its particles are bigger than salt particles. But they still do not settle. What makes milk special? Here is another clue. Light becomes visible in milk, but not in salt water. Why does that happen? Now the mystery starts to clear. Salt water is called a solution. Muddy water is called a suspension. Milk is called a colloid.
A solution looks the same throughout. Its particles are very small. They do not settle. They cannot be seen easily.
A suspension has bigger particles. They settle after some time. A colloid has medium-sized particles. They do not settle but can scatter light. You see these mixtures every day. Lemonade is a solution. Muddy water is a suspension. Milk and fog are colloids. Now it makes sense, right?
Let's test this ourselves. You only need a few simple things. Ready? First, pour the salt into the water. Now add the soil and stir.
Here is a challenge. Both milk and muddy water look cloudy, but one settles and the other does not. Why? Think about this. Fog and milk are very different, yet both are colloids.
What do they have in common?